Welcome to today's lesson about square properties. I am your substitute video speaker, Mr. Anderson, in for Mrs. Knopf while she is at home with her baby. So I'm going to talk to you about properties with squares. So if a quadrilateral is a square, then it has the following properties, just like a parallelogram, a rectangle, and a rhombus. So that means opposite sides are going to be parallel to one another. All sides are actually congruent, kind of like a rhombus. Please note that all the sides are the same, so they should all have the same number of lines. That's my mistake. Opposite angles are congruent and right angles. So all right, so all 90 degrees. Diagonals are congruent and bisect each other. So also remember that that means that all diagonals continue to be like our perpendicular, and they also bisect the other angles. So 90s turn into 45s there. And at the middle, those are all 90 degrees. And consecutive angles are supplementary to one another, meaning they add up to 180 degrees. So if ABCD is a square, and we know that the segment AE is 11, we want to find the missing values. So labeling that, because they're all bisecting, all those diagonals, EC must also be 11 because they're the same. And then adding 11 to 11 gets you 22. BD is congruent to AC, so it's got to be 22 as well. DAB is a right angle, so it's 90 degrees. AEB, also on the inside, that's 90 degree angles, or 90 degree angle. CBD is a bisecting of a 90, so it's 45, and the angle BAC is also 45 degrees. Example 2, if STUV is a square with SW equal to 2x plus 13 and WU equal to 8x minus 41, we want to solve. So in order to solve, we must subtract 13 to both sides. That'll give us 2x equals 8x minus 54. And then we want to subtract the 8x to put those like terms together as well, which gets us negative 6x equal to negative 54 divided by negative 6 gets us an x value of 9. And then from there, we want to be able to find VT. And so we do know what SW is with the x value, and it's double, or VT is double SW, or the line segment SW. So plugging in 2x plus 13 in for SW, also plugging in 9 in for x, we're able to simplify this expression so that we can find VT of 62. And then the last example here, if FGHI is a square, solve for x. Remember that the angle FGI is a bisector of the angle FGH, so it must be equal to 45. So 7x plus 3 equals 45. Subtract 3, divide by 7, gets you 6 for our answer. Okay? Have a great day.